10-38. Anne, Dan, and Jan calculated the volumes of some shapes and got different answers. Look at their work shown below, that's right here, and make a sketch of the shape that each set of calculations might represent. Okay, so we need to look at these calculations and figure out what shapes each one of these might represent. And in addition, it asks, why do Dan and Jan's calculations have the same result even though they look different? So they got the same volume, but notice that this calculation looks different than this calculation. Okay, and then finally we have a hint. Look at the formulas for the volume of a cylinder and a cone on your math toolkit. Okay, so the reason that we have this hint to look at the cylinder and the cone first is because when we look at each one of these calculations, we notice that pi is there. And we know that pi has to do with circles. And so we know that this shape probably has something to do with a circle. And when we look at these calculations here, we see that pi is indeed part of the calculation for a cylinder, and it's also part of the calculation for a cone. Whereas if we look at the calculation for a pyramid, we do not see pi.